Hi, everybody. If you're following along with our course schedule on the syllabus, you'll notice that next week is our midterm exam. 100 points in total. It is worth nearly half of your overall grade. So the exam will be in two parts, both of which are timed. You have 1 hour to complete each part, so make sure you've allocated a full 2 hours of uninterrupted time with a reliable internet connection at some point next week. You are responsible for your technology reliability during this time. So the exam will automatically submit at the end of the hour. You'll be welcome to use class time to take it, though, if you want. So part one, 80 points, is a multiple choice exam. The best way to study for this is to have your notes from the reading, chapters 1 through 6, and from lecture in an organized fashion. So review your notes, add any examples you need to remember each theory and concept. Questions will cover everything from structure versus agency to the founding scientists, positivism, critical thinking, the research process, socialization theories, culture, language, social constructionism, norms, sanctions, bureaucracy, deviance, Marx, Durkheim, Weber, Mead, Cooley, Goffman, Hoffman, Hochschild, Butler, everybody. Pay close attention to the three overarching theories and the three questions that help us go deeper in analysis. Make sure you have those. Part two, 20 points, is an essay question. You can take it at a separate time. They're organized as separate exams. It will ask you to analyze a phenomenon from the perspective of the three theories. So I expect 3 paragraphs, one that analyzes through the lens of functionalism, one through the lens of symbolic interactionism, and one through the lens of critical or conflict theory. You do not need an introduction or a conclusion, nor do you need to share your opinion. There are study guides in the student resources folder on Blackboard, and I'll remind you of some keywords from each theory and provide you with some sample essays there. Scroll down to the bottom of all the modules and you'll find that student resources folder. Plagiarism or the use of AI will result in a 0 score and report of academic misconduct. So the work should be entirely your own. Exams are the one time I do not require you to cite anything because I'm making the assumption that our textbook and common knowledge of the phenomenon I'm asking you about are your only source. So if you do use an outside source, you need to cite it. So it's actually easier for you if you don't, if you're just using the textbook. The exam is open book, open note. I do not recommend relying on Google. You will not have enough time. And search results and AI overviews might be misleading as they tend to kind of draw from multiple fields of study. So keep your book and your notes handy. Like everything else in this class, the exams will be in next week's module, available starting early Monday morning and will be due by Sunday night at midnight. So as always, late work is not accepted. Please reach out to me via email if you need anything. I'll try to be super available. I'll do my best to kind of help within a reasonable amount of time when I'm not in class and that kind of thing. If it's during normal business hours, I'll try to be pretty quick. Keep in mind the IT office is not open except for Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. But you should be fine. I have confidence in you all. I think you'll do well. All the best. Let me know if you need anything.